Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ASUS ROG laptop step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your ASUS ROG laptop carefully. Lay out all components, including the charger and user manual. Identify the power port on the laptop. Take the charger and plug it into an electrical outlet. Connect the charger to the power port on the laptop. Open the lid of your laptop gently. Press the power button to turn on your ASUS ROG laptop. Wait for the startup screen to load. Choose your preferred language settings from the prompt. Click Next to proceed with the setup. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect. After connecting to the internet, you will reach the Microsoft account login page. Enter your Microsoft account credentials or click on Create Account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup. You will now see the privacy settings screen. Review the options and adjust according to your preferences. Click Accept to continue with the setup process. Next, the laptop will configure your settings and take a few moments to prepare your desk. Once the setup is complete, you will reach the Windows desktop. Locate the ASUS ROG Armoury Crate application on your desktop. Double-click to open the application. This software allows you to customize your laptop settings and get the latest updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the Armoury Crate. Next, check for Windows updates by going to Settings. Select Update and Security and click on Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates. Now, familiarize yourself with the keyboard and touchpad functions. Test out the dedicated hotkeys for performance modes and RGB lighting. Explore the pre-installed gaming software to enhance your gaming experience. Finally, create a backup of your system by going to Settings and selecting Update and Security. Choose Backup and follow the prompts to set up your backup preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.